Hello friends, in this video I will show how to check for updates in Microsoft PowerPoint. So firstly guys, you have to click on Start and open PowerPoint. Now here click on File, Account. Now click on this drop down, then click on Update Now. So if update is available, so you will see this dialog box and it will download all required files for Microsoft Office. You can keep using Office while we download in the background. So once this process is complete, close and reopen Microsoft PowerPoint. So thanks for watching. Comment this video work for you or not.